People fear what they don't understand. When it comes to lifting weights, especially squats, many worry about hurting their spine. They picture crushed discs and debilitating pain. This fear is often amplified by misinformation. The truth is, our spines are tougher than we give them credit for. They are designed to handle load and movement. Think about it. Our ancestors lifted heavy things all the time. They didn't have fancy gyms, but they were strong and resilient. We need to shift our perspective from fear to empowerment. Your spine is not fragile. With proper form and progressive overload, lifting weights, including squats, can actually make your back stronger and healthier. Think of your spine like a pillar supporting a building. The stronger the pillar, the more stable the structure. Squats, when done correctly, act like a workout for this pillar, strengthening the muscles that support your entire back. Squats engage your core muscles, the deep internal muscles that act as a natural weightlifting belt. A strong core is crucial for spinal stability and injury prevention. You're not just working your legs when you squat, you're building a fortress around your spine. Furthermore, squats strengthen the bones, ligaments, and tendons in your back. This increased strength and stability translate into better posture, reduced risk of injury, and improved overall functional fitness. Now let's talk about discs, those shock absorbers between your vertebrae. There's a misconception that lifting heavy will compress and damage them. In reality, discs are designed to handle load and movement. Think of your discs like sponges. They need to be regularly compressed and decompressed to stay healthy. Squats and other loaded movements actually help nourish your discs by promoting fluid exchange, keeping them hydrated and resilient. Moreover, strong back muscles developed through squats help distribute load evenly across the spine, taking pressure off individual discs. This reduces the risk of disc herniation and other back problems. The human body is meant to move, adapt, and grow stronger. Don't let fear hold you back from unlocking your physical potential. Embrace lifting weights, including squats, as a way to build a stronger, healthier you. Sadly, even some healthcare providers buy into the outdated advice of avoiding lifting for back pain. This fear-based approach often does more harm than good. While rest might be necessary in acute situations, long-term avoidance of loading weakens the spine, making it more susceptible to injuries. If you're new to lifting or have any pre-existing conditions, consult with a qualified fitness professional who can guide you on proper form and progression. Remember, the key is to start slow, listen to your body, and gradually increase the weight as you get stronger. You'll be amazed at what your body can achieve.